Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this module, that is Get Started with Data 360 and AI. So just open it. Now here it requires our playground creation. So simply click on Create Playground and just click on Yes. Now here for playground creation, it has mailed us to our personal mail ID. So you have to just open your Gmail. Basically, the email which you use to create the Salesforce account, okay, you have to just check it over there. And once you see output like this, go to your mailbox. Now from here, just click on this URL and simply click on reset. Now here, a verification code is sent to your personal email. So you have to open the email again. So you have to just check the code over here and simply paste it and just verify it. Maybe you'll directly get option to change your password, but if you're not getting, you can just perform the same method. Now here you have to add random password. So make sure both matches, and here we have to just update it to, now just change it. So finally we have done this part. Now come over here and just click on Connect Playground. Now here you have to enter the username. Okay, username, how I'll find it? You can just go to your mailbox. First of all, let me type the password. And you can just go to your mailbox. So here, this is our username. You have to just copy it, come over here, paste it, and simply sign in. Just click on allow. Yes, save it. So here you need to understand that it will expire on 8th of February. So you need to complete. Better, it will be better if you complete when you just create the playground. Otherwise, you have to repeat from step 1. Now just come to the challenge page, and from here just click on verify. It will take some time to update this code. Do not worry about it. So finally, we completed the first part of this module. Now only 2 modules are remaining. It's very easy and little bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll cover it in detail and a video will be live very soon. So do like the video and just subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.